Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe which originated in Mumbai. This recipe is exactly like the city, super quick. It is believed this dish was invented by the pav bhaji vendors in Mumbai. Towards the tail end of the day, simply to utilize the leftover bhaji, they would mix it with plain rice on the same tawa and consume it. Hence the name Tawa Pulao. It became an instant hit the day they decided to sell their innovation to their customers. So smash that like button and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's begin. We'll start off with chopping these veggies my way. Whoa, oh. Let's try this one more time. There you go. Tawa pulao is derived from pav bhaji. Hence, it has almost all ingredients that goes in it. And since it's a street food, vendors have to get the meal out quickly, so they roughly chop their veggies and keep it somewhat like this. Next, I'll take malai paneer and cut it into cubes of same size. That's all with the prep work. Let's move on to cooking. I'll start off by adding some olive oil into a deep big pan. You can also do half oil, half butter. Once hot, I'll throw in my onions and give it a quick stir. Since it's a quick street food, we are not looking to brown the onions like we do in a regular pulao. All we want to do is to wait till it turns translucent and drop 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We'll fry this for a few minutes or until its raw edge is off, and then add in tomatoes. Stir and wait until tomatoes soften. Since this pulao is made at a pav bhaji stall, masalas used in it are exactly the same that goes in a pav bhaji. In goes 1 tablespoon pav bhaji masala, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and half a tablespoon of haldi powder or turmeric. Stir this mixture for a few minutes or until well combined. And next goes in our capsicum or green peppers. I prefer to not overcook my green peppers and keep them slightly crunchy. And now it's time to add in my secret ingredient, tomato ketchup. Trust me, this shoots up the pulao to astronomical height, and it gives a perfect hint of tanginess to the spicy pulao. Now goes in malai paneer. Since paneer is super delicate, we'll gently mix it to combine. In this pulao, based on your preference, you can add all sorts of healthy vegetables like corns, carrots or green beans or even potatoes. If you choose to do so, add them before the paneer. This will give enough time for the veggies to cook well. Next, I'll add in some peas. Now I am using frozen peas. If you're using fresh ones, you'll need to add them after tomatoes to give them enough time to cook. Finally, I'll add half a tablespoon of garam masala to this mixture and give it a nice toss. At this point, you can add some water. This will make the entire dish mushy, exactly how we get it in the streets of Mumbai. However, I tend to avoid it since I prefer fluffy rice rather than sticky or liquidy. Finally, I'll throw in chopped coriander and mix this well. Time to mix plain pre-cooked rice in this awesome yumminess. While mixing, we'll make sure to gently roll in and combine. This will avoid breaking the rice grains. And honestly, that's all to Mumbai's most famous street food, Tawa Pulao. Let's quickly move on to plating this. You can plate it the way I have or create your own innovative plate or simply dive in it to taste this delicious rice. This plate is full of mouth-watering and finger-licking flavors. Do try it and let me know how it turns out. Until next time.